Before you give up, watch this. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It truly means a lot that you're here. If you're feeling tired, discouraged, or ready to give up, I hope these next few minutes remind you of something you've been forgetting. There are moments in life when giving up feels like the easiest choice. Maybe you've worked hard for something that still hasn't happened. Maybe you've been rejected, disappointed, or hurt so many times that you wonder if it's even worth trying anymore. When life keeps testing you, it's easy to believe that nothing will ever change. But before you decide to quit, ask yourself one simple question. What if tomorrow is the day everything begins to change? The hardest part of every journey is not the work itself. It's continuing when you can't see the results. A seed spends weeks growing beneath the ground before anyone sees a single leaf. During that time, it looks like nothing is happening. But beneath the surface, something incredible is taking place. Your life is often the same. Just because you can't see progress doesn't mean progress isn't happening. Every challenge is teaching you something. Every setback is making you stronger. Every failure is giving you experience that success could never teach. Many of the world's greatest achievements happened because someone refused to quit one more time. They were tired. They doubted themselves. They wanted to give up. But they kept going anyway. Not because they were fearless, but because they believed that one more step was better than standing still. Remember this. You don't have to move fast. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to be perfect. You only have to keep moving. Even the smallest step forward is still a step away from where you started. There will always be people who doubt you. Some will say your dream is too big. Others will tell you it's impossible. But never let someone else's limits become your own. The voice you choose to believe matters more than the voices around you. So choose hope. Choose courage. Choose to believe in yourself one more time. Because every sunrise is proof that darkness never lasts forever. Your story isn't over because today is difficult. Your story is still being written. The chapter you're living right now may be painful, but it doesn't have to be the ending. One day, you'll look back at this moment and realize that the day you almost gave up became the day that changed everything. So before you quit, take one more breath, make one more attempt, learn one more lesson, take one more step. You are far more capable than you think. The future you're hoping for may be closer than you realize. Don't give up now. The best part of your journey may still be waiting just ahead. Thank you for spending these moments with me today. If this message encouraged your heart, please subscribe to the channel and join our community for more inspiring stories and life lessons. Together, let's keep growing, one day at a time. I wish you strength when life feels heavy, peace when your mind is restless, and the courage to keep moving forward. Take care, stay hopeful, and have a wonderful day.